Hey y'all, thank you so much for putting your information in on the previous screen. And I want to give you a huge congratulations shout out for taking such a massive step forward in getting control of your time and financial freedom. Those of you that don't know, my name is Amber and I am with The Passive Income Mama, and I help parents realize that there is more to life than sacrificing your time with your family and your kids for money. We've been lied to. So I sacrificed 16 years of my life towards a dream. I promised that I was moving up the corporate ladder at a company to finding myself without a job about a year and a half ago. And so I delved into the online world because I wasn't going to put my financial situation again into somebody else's hands. I partnered with a 7-figure online business owner who is responsible for over 50,000 people's success in getting started in affiliate marketing. I am a personal student of his and in his private coaching, and I, without a doubt, highly suggest him as somebody that's going to help you advance your way through this system in the most in-depth and comprehensive way possible. So there is a free course that you can take, and there's also a 72-hour challenge that he's put together for you guys. It's $9, and it's going to walk you through setup of a business for affiliate marketing. He's going to teach you everything you need to know. Wait, I haven't even told you the best part. So that $9 72-hour challenge, he's going to give you a copy of his course to plug into your system, and you're given the authority. It's just something that Jonathan does. He wants to see the most people succeed as possible, break free from the 9-to-5 nightmares that they find themselves in. Go ahead and click the link below. I highly suggest not passing this up. The next step, click the link below, and it's going to take you to sign up for the free course. And it'll also give you an opportunity to go ahead and enroll in that 72-hour challenge. So I hope to see you on the inside. I'm excited for you, and I know you're going to rock it. Talk soon.